So as we can see here, we have a Interstate Asphalt tank car. And as we look on this side, we have the reporting mark, PRTX131, plate C, the tank car weight as well. We also have FRA stripes all along the tank car. We have a ladder in the middle with a hatch on the top, a little tube there, and a little stick thing there too as well as some grab irons and we have some panels here that are readable if yeah, zoomed in on them. And then on this side, we have once again the PRTX131, also a brake wheel, some more grab iron details, and Walthers plastic couplers, and there's also a chain there, so that's pretty cool. On this side, we have the reporting mark once again with the plate C, FRA striping all the way around, another ladder leads up to the hatch on the top, and the Interstate Asphalt logo, some more details and writings. On the bottom, we have some cool air brake details that stretch from this side all the way to this side. And on the top, there's a nice view of the cylinder roof. So overall, a pretty cool tank car. And here we have a CHS tank car. And as we can see, I just have to switch my, get the screwdriver here. We have on this side the reporting mark CHSX255077, the item weight, FRA stripes all across with the CHS logo, and some more writings there that are probably visible when zoomed in. Also have a ladder in the middle, leads to the hatch on the top, with some more grab iron detail there. On this side, we have a brake wheel, a chain, and then once again the report mark, CHSX255077, a little diamond plate there too. And on this side, once again, I have the reporting mark there, FRA striping, some writings. On this side, there's no brake wheel, just a grab iron detail. On the bottom, we have very nice air brake details that stretch from this side to the other. And on the top, there's the hatch with some grab iron details too. And also this and the Interstate Asphalt tank cars are 25,000 gallon tank cars. This is the Dana RailCare tank car. And this tank car has a bit of a greenish hue to it, which is pretty cool. So on this side we have the Dana RailCare logo with the report mark DNAX125013, item is weight, and FRA striping all across, plate C there, and then some writings as well. On this side we have the report mark up here, brake wheel, diamond plate, and a chain as well. On this side, once again, we have the logo and the reporting mark and our FRA striping all across with some writings. On this side, just grab iron details and a diamond plate. On the bottom, once again, air brake details. Stretch from this side to the other. Pretty cool. The ladders reach all the way down as well. On this top, this side, there's a hatch on the top with some grab iron details. And the reporting mark is on the roof too. That's pretty cool. So yeah, very cool tank car collection. I did get another Interstate Asphalt tank car because I thought that these looked pretty cool with their logos and everything. But overall, I just wanted to get some more tank cars for my collection because it's been a long time since I've done so, and these tank cars look really cool, especially with the FRA striping.